Gold or silver, both shine, but which one truly fits your investment goals? Let's break it down clearly and logically. Gold is primarily a store of value. Central banks hold it, and investors use it as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Silver, on the other hand, is both a precious metal and an industrial metal, widely used in electronics, solar panels, and electric vehicles. Gold prices are relatively stable and less volatile. Silver is cheaper per unit, but its price fluctuates more due to industrial demand, meaning higher risk, but also higher potential returns. Gold is highly liquid worldwide and easy to buy or sell. Silver is also liquid, but storage costs are higher because you need more volume for the same value. Choose gold if your goal is wealth preservation and long-term stability. Choose silver if you can handle volatility and want growth linked to future technologies. There's no single best choice. Gold, just safety. Silver, just growth. A balanced portfolio can include both. This video is for educational and knowledge-building purposes only. Content is AI generated and may contain inaccuracies. Always verify facts and consult a financial advisor before investing.